Weight loss is a tough process, but what's tougher is maintaining all that lost weight. I've seen many people struggling with strict diets and routine fitness workouts often end up gaining that lost weight. What is the secret behind sustainable weight loss? I am Dr. Darshan, a gynecologist by profession. I've lost around 43 kgs in 8 months with my nutritionist and fitness coach experts of Healthify Me. Now I'm in a better shape, toned myself, and here I am to talk about my secrets of sustainable weight loss. The first secret: don't go too long without eating. So it's a general practice that once we start dieting, we starve or eat too little. So what happens is the blood sugar falls, and once you eat, it immediately spikes. This erratic sugar levels might lead to adverse effects like dizziness, fatigue, and also uneasiness. And sometimes these sugar drops would lead to binge eating. So what do? Plan your meals properly. Have 3 major meals and minor meals at regular intervals. Sometimes healthy snack options like dry fruits, makhana, and also fresh fruits could be very useful. But at the end of the day, the crux is all your meals should be well balanced with right quantity of protein, carbohydrates, and fats. There you are. Secret number 2. Protein. Protein is the most important thing, and often it is the neglected part in our so-called balanced diet. So guys, proteins are not just for bodybuilders, for your popping biceps or something like that. Proteins is the most vital part of your body, right from cellular architecture to your immunity. Also, there is one special feature of proteins. It slowly gets converted into sugar and glucose in your body and releases energy by various biochemical processes. That's another important secret of a sustainable weight loss, having right protein in your diet. Secret number 3, staying hydrated. Water is the most underappreciated components of a diet. Being a natural appetite suppressant, water helps to cut down your calorie intake. Apart from this, water also increases your body's metabolism by 20 to 30%. Water helps you stay hydrated and flush out those bodily toxins. Apart from this, staying hydrated helps to prevent bloating, which adds on to those extra calories and pounds. I make sure at least I drink 2.5 to 3 liters of water every day. For this purpose, the Healthify Me water reminder feature has been really helpful. Secret number 4, eat colorful, high fiber foods. High fiber diet is essential in preventing chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and constipation. However, despite all these good effects of fiber, not many of us consume enough. Opt for high fiber diets like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts. Apart from fiber, these food items also have essential nutrients and vitamins which benefit overall health. Including a colorful array of fruits and vegetables makes your food interesting visually, also helps you keep full for longer. Cut back on added sugar. This might seem like an obvious one, but added sugars are often disguised on food labels under different names. That is the reason the processed and packaged foods are so dense in calories. Moreover, these added simple sugars are broken down so rapidly in our body, leading to insulin and blood sugar spikes. And these sugars doesn't really contribute to the feeling of satiety, but instead increase your cravings. What I have done is, and which has really helped me in sustaining weight loss, is I've totally cut down on these packaged foods. Like for example, ketchup, salad dressing, sauces, flavored yogurts, and sandwich bread. Without even realizing, we are consuming lots and lots of sugar and in turn so many calories. And the safer option is to replace these items with homemade alternatives, which is always beneficial. Add more whole foods to your diet. Like I mentioned earlier, whenever possible, I choose whole foods over the processed ones. Choosing foods in their most natural forms helps us to get the nutrients like vitamins, minerals in the purest form without any extra additives. Another important learning is to practice mindful eating. We've been often told not to eat while watching TV, in your car, or while checking emails. And believe me, it's a solid advice. Distracted eating comes at a cost. What happens actually when you don't focus on your eating is you tend to ignore the body's signal of satiety and end up overeating. Mindful eating means paying attention to every bite, the texture, aromas, flavors, presentation, and even sound. Focus on what you are eating. Ask yourself, how much do you really need to feel satisfied? By this way, you avoid overeating and also appreciate your food way more. Last but not the least, exercise in a way that feels good. Finding an exercise schedule that you enjoy and look forward doing is much more sustainable. Back when I was overweight, I used to real dread working out and I totally avoided it. When I did express this to my fitness coach in Healthify Me, they came up with a plan which was slow but steady. I started with my 45 minutes of brisk walking, a bit of yoga and stretching. Gradually, I started enjoying this as my me time. Now with the results, I've amped up the level of workouts and I totally look forward doing this. I must say working out is the most pleasurable time of the day. I'd like to end this video by saying weight loss and consequent fitness is a lifelong process. Remember, you're in control of your body, how it looks and how it changes. Therefore, choose wisely and aim for a long-term view rather than a short-term view. And I bet you would not regret it. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.